Are you girls ready?
Yes.
Put the cards. Okay, now rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay. Kanshi, what shape you're doing?
Heart.
What shape you're doing?
Diamond.
Okay. So what you have to do is from A to 10. Same shape la neenga make pananum. Okay, yeah?
1 to 10.
1 to 10. Yeah. 1 to 10 same shape la neenga pananum. Okay, yeah? Nee hearts la 1 to 10 make pananum. Nee diamond la 1 to 10 make pananum.
First is the winner. Whoever finishes the whole
Whoever first finishes is the winner. Okay. So you got a 9. Okay. So you got 5. 9. You got 3. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. Okay. Nothing. Kanshi, you got it? Kanshi, you got it? Okay. Got a 4. Nothing. 4. Shamu, you got it? Okay, nothing. Kanshi, you got it? Shamu, you got it? Shamu got it. And Shamu got it again. 2 more cards, Shamu. Kanshi, unaku 2 more cards tha. Shamu. Kanshu. Nothing. 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 Shamu got it. Only 1 card left. Hey, அது Shamu. Kanshi, you got it. See, அந்த கார்டை வச்சிரு. அப்படி பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஒருத்தவங்க விளையாண்டு முடிக்கிற வரைக்கும் you have to wait. Okay. Now what you have to do? Kanshi, you won.
Congratulations.